Hello friends, in today's class we are going to talk about example 1 for 3 address code generation. Okay, so here this is another example of 3 address code, and here we are having only this binary operator. So we will start generating more and more temporary variables. In this case, let's say starts with t1 is equal to x plus y, and then I can say t2 is equal to x minus y. Then I can say t3 is equal to t1 multiplied by t2, and then I can say t4 is equal to t1 minus t3. Then I can say t5 is equal to t4 plus t3. Okay, so okay, now you understand that we are having this multiplication form over here. So this is t3. Let me use color over here. This t3 is for this part, and then we have a minus. So t1 is x plus y minus t3, this entire expression. This is for this part, and we have already generated this multiplication form over here, and that is in form of t3, so that I can use directly, and I can say t4 plus t3. So only here I generated 5 temporary variables. Only 5 temporary variables are being generated. Okay, so here that's all for this discussion. Thank you.